Hi and welcome to another day, and that means another Christmas cookie video as we continue in this series of 25 Christmas cookies from around the world. Welcome back. This is the Cookbook Kitchen, the home of cookbook recipes, and today we are going to Denmark. Denmark. Today we are going to Denmark. Yeah, I'm very right. We are going to Denmark and we will make little brown cakes. Yes, that's the recipe that we will try out today. We are making little brown cakes and we are cooking from the Joy of Cookies cookbook. That's the book that we are going to use today. And I've tried to master the pronunciation of that name. And let's just use the English name. Little brown cakes. That's what the recipe calls it, and I've borrowed this book from the internet archives. Go borrow the book there and check it out and try out this recipe. So welcome to today's video. Let's see what we are working with so that we can begin. This is what we are working with today. I have some flour over here. I'm using self-rising flour because I just discovered I'm out of baking powder, so hopefully it will work. This is some self-rising flour. So according to the recipe, I'm omitting my baking powder and my baking soda, guys. I hope it will work. Then on this plate I have some cinnamon, I have clove, ginger, nutmeg, and then I have some salt over here. I have molasses and I have some dark corn syrup. I have butter and brown sugar. I have some chopped almonds, whole almonds, our zest of orange. So we start by combining our flour and our spices. So we combine this. Put that aside. Then we'll beat our butter and our brown sugar. The next thing we are going to do, we are going to drizzle our corn syrup and the molasses as we are still mixing. We'll add our orange zest and our chopped almonds. Then we are going to add our flour little by little as we mix. Here is my dough. I'm going to cover it for 15 minutes. That's what the recipe says. So I let it rest for 15 minutes, then we'll be back. We are back 15 minutes later and we are ready to roll our dough. I think I need to divide it 3 times. Flour my surface a bit. Oh Lord, get ah, let's roll this out. We are done cutting. Now we are supposed to use this whole almonds. We are supposed to press one whole almond on top of the cookies. After that, we will brush on top of each almond with some egg and water glaze.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep